All right, everybody. On tonight's video, gonna kind of be a continuation of the previous video, where in the previous video we replaced the whole wheel on the rake. Tonight we're gonna replace individual fingers. Alright, so we've got this rake wheel that we're going to rebuild here, and I've already replaced all but the last one here. Figured I'd share that one with you guys, and it is right here. So this is the last one that needs to be replaced, and what you need to do is you need to follow it down and see which one of these covers that it sits under. Because it's way over here, but shoot, if you went straight down, it'd be that one. So make sure that you're taking the right hold down off. Look at it again, just double check. Yep, right here. Get that stuff out of the way. Okay, and there's our hold down there. And here's the ones that are still good. And a broken one. We will replace that with this brand new one here. Insert it like so. There we go. So we got it in there now. Now we've got to make sure we get everything lined up where it goes. We'll probably want to put this one in first because it does slide under the one next to it just a hair, which that'll happen. Now, as long as you're clearing the bolts for your hold down, you should be all right. I'll just give it a little tap, so then that'll stay there. Kinda. All right, now we'll get all these other ones aligned. It's gotta go in a little bit. There we go. Like so. Got those aligned. Grab this cover plate. Make sure it'll go down even with the ones next to it. Then I'll start the bolts. This is the most fun part, of course, because you've got the other fingers that could try and poke you. And you can't see where you're putting that nut on because it's kind of a bowl shape here. So you got to do it by feel. Got one started here. Get it finger tight. The other one. Okay, now, like I said, the main thing you got to worry about is if this, if it doesn't fit in between the ones next to it, then it won't be tight when you go to tighten it up. So kind of hold that as you're lifting it up to tighten it. Then grab your impact wrench. There we go. Everybody's flush. It looks good. Well, as good as a 20-year-old or however old this rake is. Rake wheel can look. All of the broken ones are fixed. So that way, now we just have to, if we want to put it on the rake, we just replace the whole wheel. It's quicker. It's really quick if you have two people. Because reaching around the back of these fingers, you can get some fun going in your armpit there. But I use basically a flat surface and a block of wood, and it seems to work pretty good for me. So, you know, I'm sure somebody's got better ways. And if you do, you know, by all means, comment and tell me what I'm doing wrong. I'm not opposed to tips now and again. But there we go. As always, take care, and thanks for watching the video.